Happy Sunday, guys. Welcome back to the vlogs. Today's video is actually gonna be more of a sit down style, but that's because I'm filming more later on. Thank you so much for all of your kind feedback on my vlog style videos that I've now been posting. I feel like I finally got it down what you guys have been looking for when it comes to vlogs. I really appreciate all of your comments and messages, DMs. You guys are the best. I love you. Also, I kind of lost my voice this weekend, so bear with me. I'm gonna try to not give you too much vocal fry. But today is very exciting because we're going back to the OG roots, literally, and I'm doing a hair tutorial. It's been so long since I've sat down, talked about beauty, done a full tutorial video, and I really feel like Glamourisa 16. She'd be proud. And she's also screaming because this video is in partnership with Ulta Beauty, and I am just dying because I love working with them. I'm so excited. So they're actually doing a fall gorgeous hair event. I don't know if you guys have heard about it, but it's a twice annual sale. So every single day for the next 3 weeks, they're doing insane beauty steals, and they're all in the fall hair care category. And they're up to 50% off of these products, a lot of really high-end hair products. So I actually picked out six. I think I picked out 6 products that I am gonna be using in my hair for the fall. I tend to swap out a lot of my hair products during the fall because my hair gets extra dry and frizzy. I have very frizzy prone hair. So I picked out some products that are gonna add some hydration back into my hair, help fight frizz, and also I'm just gonna style it because I love a good wave. So all of these products that I picked out are obviously included in the sale, but they're also all cruelty-free products. I really want to, be more mindful of that. First product is actually one that I use on wet hair. So I used this yesterday when I showered. So this is the only one that I will not be using in this tutorial, but this is by the brand InnerSense. This is an organic brand. This product is the I Create Lift Volumizing Foam, and it's a foam to lift your roots and create style memory. So this is a really versatile product, and I definitely recommend it specifically if you have curly hair. What I like to do is just use it out of the shower, and I will just put the foam in my hand and start to gently run it through my strands like this. And then to kind of create that curl cast, I will just start to scrunch it like you would any other curl product. But I've also used this just as a volumizing root product. I will do the same thing, but I will just focus it on my roots. So I'll just put it in my hand and kind of just run it along my roots, and then I will go in with my blow dryer and focus it on the root. And that way it just really creates this volume up top. This has been a really great product. I love that the brand is certified organic. Stay tuned for this. I will probably show this in an upcoming vlog as I'm doing my curly hair routine, an updated version, because I haven't done that in a while, and I know you guys have been requesting that. For my actual waves that I've been creating lately, I'm so obsessed with these. They look so good. So I've been using the T3 Cascading Waves barrel. I've just never really seen anything like this. It's like that reverse tapered barrel. I've always seen kind of the opposite. What happens is it makes a really beautiful, natural cascading wave. So while this is heating up, I'm going to prep my hair to curl. First, I'm gonna use one of my favorite products ever, and I'm so happy this is included in the sale because this is one of my holy grail hair products, and I ran out recently, so got myself a new one. But this is the Living Proof Frizz Instant Defrizzer. Oh my gosh, I feel like I talked about this a couple years ago, but this whole line is incredible. I'm just going to lightly spritz. Smells so good, and I'm just gonna apply an extra layer specifically at the top because I feel like I've also been having a lot of hair growth recently, and all the baby hairs get a little crazy, but also just my hair gets extra frizzy during the fall and winter time, especially if you live in a really cold climate. Like growing up, my hair would get so incredibly staticky and frizzy. Hands down, one of my favorite Living Proof products. It's so good. Lastly, to prep my hair, I'm gonna be adding this heat protectant, which holy throwback, you guys. Oh my gosh, this brings me back to OG YouTube. Some of their iconic hair straighteners included in this sale, you guys, so don't sleep on it. But this is the Chi Iron Guard, the Firm Hold Protecting Spray. You can use it after styling or before styling. Add a light mist. And what's interesting about this product, if you've never used it before, it kind of goes on like a hairspray. You can feel it giving it some more hold. Okay, I brought the camera down a little bit so you can see more of my hair. My hair has gotten so long. I don't really section off my hair when I curl my hair. I definitely do that when I straighten it, but when I curl it, I kind of like the look of just doing it all in one layer because I feel like it looks a little bit more natural. I usually take 1 to 1.5 inch sections. This bang area is a little bit difficult for me to do lately because they're not necessarily bangs. They're growing out. We're almost to the point that we want them, but I always start off kind of lighter when I am starting with my bangs, and then I'll go back in and touch them up later if I need to. But I like to kind of pull them and they look tighter now, but I'll go back in and rough them up a little bit. You can definitely start right by the root if you want a more defined curl. I like to start a couple inches away from my root, and the more you stay to the top right here of the barrel, then the tighter they're gonna be. But you want the end pieces to be more toward the bottom of the barrel. That's gonna give them that really pretty natural loose wave, and that way they don't look so uniform. So some of them I'll start a little bit lower on the actual barrel so that they're a little bit looser, and then some of them I'll start a little bit higher on this end, and then that way it kind of switches up the curls a little bit. Again, I'm gonna start this one a little bit lower on the actual barrel, and I always keep a couple inches or an inch, just kind of depending on how long your hair is, out on the end. I don't like to curl my ends because then I feel like it doesn't look natural. This is what the first side looks like before I rough it up a little bit, but she's looking cute. And then I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this side. Obviously doing it the other way so that it's away from my face. You guys know the drill. This is what we're working with right after, and now that the curls are kind of cooling off a little bit is when I like to work my magic, kind of break it up a little bit. First things first, I'm going to just flip over my hair and run my fingers through them and flip my hair over, and you immediately get so much more volume that way. When you use this barrel, it makes you look like you have way more hair than you did before. I feel like my hair just got so much thicker. Then I'm gonna take the iron guard again and start spritzing it in my hair. But I like to bring up these top layers up a little bit and then kind of scrunch my hair. And I'll do this also at the root just to pump up the volume. I'm obsessed with this hair. I feel like it looks so good, but I have one more step to complete this look, and that is another OG product. I'm dying, you guys. I saw this included in the sale and I was like, I forgot about this. Another OG Glamorisa 16 product. This is the Cheese Silk Infusion. Can we have a moment of silence for the Cheese Silk Infusion? Why did I stop using this? I feel like this was the first product to get me into hair oils, just even dabbling in anything that would hydrate my hair. But this saved me in so many Minnesota winters, all throughout college. But you can use this before styling or after. But I'm just applying a really small amount into my palms, rub it in my fingers, and then I will just gently apply this to the bottom half of my hair. And when I tell you, the scent is so nostalgic to me. Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. But I feel like using this after I style is the way to go because it breaks up that iron guard, loosen up the waves a little bit, and makes them so incredibly soft and glossy. And I'll apply a little bit on my face framing pieces. Any leftover product, I'll just run it through my hair, and especially running it on the ends of my hair. I mean, how good is this hair? Oh, I have nowhere to go. It just doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right that I have nowhere to go. What have I done? That is it for the hair tutorial, but I did pick up one more product from the Gorgeous Hair event, and that is a new satin pillowcase. This is from the brand Kitsch, which I love their hair products, and their satin pillowcases are everything to me. I have a couple different colors, but when I saw they had a black one, I knew I had to snatch up that one because sometimes I'm using a self tanner, and you know what? It leaves a little mark. So I'm very pleased to have a black one, but they do have other colors, so if you want to match it to your sheets, you totally can. If you haven't switched to a satin pillowcase yet, I could not recommend it enough. I promise you, it's one of the easiest swaps to make, especially for the fall and winter coming up when it gets really, really dry, but it does wonders for not only your skin, but also your hair. It helps prevent breakage. It's also gonna help prevent frizz, and my hair just feels so much more soft and hydrated when I use this. But I will link my satin pillowcase below along with all the products that I used in this video because they're all again included in Ulta Beauty's Fall Gorgeous Hair event. And I do want to note that some of these steals only last for one day. Some of them are only online, some of them are only in stores, so definitely keep an eye out. And again, I will keep you guys updated on my stories if any of these specific products or brands are on sale that day. So definitely go follow me at Caitlin B on Instagram if you want some day-to-day updates, but definitely act fast so that you can get up to 50% off of all these incredible brands. And so many other high-end brands are also included on this sale, so it's just the perfect time to stock up on some hair products, even stocking up on some holiday gifts. And you can shop the sale both in store, online, or you can buy it online and pick up in store. But that is it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this little sit down tutorial video. And again, thank you so much to Ulta Beauty for partnering with me on this video. Let me know which products you're gonna check out from the Fall Gorgeous Hair event. Get excited, the vlogs are continuing. I'm gonna go film some more videos and continue vlogging. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah!